Hey guys, Aaron here. So today I'm going to be installing a discharge pipe on a TPR valve on a hot water heater. Now, the point of this is so that if this hot water for some reason got stuck and kept boiling water and never shut off, essentially this thing could potentially explode. But with discharge pipe, this will actually release the pressure, and it's really hot water when it comes out. So in most cases you do need to have this discharge pipe, otherwise you're just going to have 200-degree water just shooting out all over the place, and you could potentially burn some. So we had an inspector come back and say that this needs to be installed. It is a pretty easy thing to do that most people can do. It really only takes about 5-10 minutes at most. But today I'm going to show you how to get this done and how to do it properly. Alright, so in my area, this TPR valve needs to be 2 to 6 inches from the floor, and it can't be any higher than that. So basically what I can do is take the distance from here to here, measure this, cut it off the end, and then I can add, maybe 4 inches to it. I can add 2 all the way up to 6 inches. So I'll add 3 or 4 inches just to be safe, and then I'll show you how to put it on. So let's go ahead and get this cut. I'll stand that up here. .5 inches, then I'll add 3 onto that, so that gets me to 24.5. And what I need to do here is just cut off 24.5 inches from this end. So essentially I want my pipe no more than 6 inches off the floor, but no less than 2 inches. So if I'm right about 4 inches, no less than 2 inches off the floor, but no more than 6 inches off the floor. And that's just gonna, again, protect us in case we get 200-degree water spraying out of there. So we'll just cut this at our line here. Now, once you get it tight, I do like to turn it in there, that way I don't crack the pipe. Then we'll just do a quick measurement here. That should be good. Now we want to apply our Teflon tape, and we're going to do this in a clockwise motion. Now, sometimes it's just easier to spin the pipe, but we're going to try to get all the threads, but not wrap it over the side. Make sure it's in there. Then we're just going to take our discharge pipe here, thread this on. Really only need to be about hand tight. Tighten it down a little bit more. If you do take a wrench to tighten it down a little bit more, make sure you grab it up there, up at the metal part here. Do not grab it down there because it will crack. Now, as you can see down at the bottom, I'm about 3.5 inches, so I'm within that 2 to 6 inch range. Now, I will say this, the 2 to 6 inch range is required in my area. You may want to check the code in your local area, because I've seen go all the way up to 24 inches, where there's quite a bit more room down there where you can actually put a bucket down there. So do check the code in your area. You could always call an inspector and they'll tell you what the code is as well. Now, what I'm actually going to do real quick is I'm just going to do a little quick test, make sure I don't have any leaks.